Data lakehouses, the backbone of sustainable AI and smarter data management. In this industry voice, Michael Hay, Chief Technology Strategy Officer of Hitachi Vantara, stresses that AI is no longer optional, it's mission critical. Behind the hype is a mounting issue. The data infrastructure underpinning the systems is groaning at the seams. Costs are ballooning, carbon footprints are growing, and patch jobs aren't going to cut it. It's no longer a matter of if companies can scale AI, but if they can do it without bursting their budgets or harming the planet. That's where more intelligent and sustainable infrastructure strategies come into play. Why hybrid cloud is the new baseline. Hybrid cloud architectures have become table stakes for scalable, efficient infrastructure. The urgency is real. According to a recent report from the U.S. Department of Energy, electricity demand from data centers could nearly triple by 2030, largely due to AI growth. Tools like consumption-based models enable enterprises to manage data seamlessly across on-premises and cloud environments. This reduces idle capacity, avoids over-provisioning, and keeps energy consumption in check, crucial when workloads spike unpredictably. The lakehouse advantage. Data lakehouses are a more effective means of corralling the chaos. Rather than moving copies back and forth between lakes and warehouses, lakehouses bring analytics and storage together in a single governed platform. Lakehouses allow AI model training, streaming analytics, and business intelligence from one governed platform. That means fewer data copies, less waste of infrastructure, and far better alignment for sustainability goals. Data governance is also simplified. The State of Data Infrastructure report found that for sectors such as financial services, where 27% of organizations never validate data quality and 1 in 5 have significant concerns about AI reliability, this type of harmonized architecture is a game changer. Rethinking the infrastructure AI disconnect. There's a critical disconnect. 73% of IT leaders in banking, financial services, and insurance say robust infrastructure wasn't prioritized in past AI initiatives. Yet 84% say a data loss event would be catastrophic to their business. That kind of contradiction highlights the need for a smarter foundation. Hybrid cloud storage platforms address this gap by combining enterprise-grade performance with flexibility across environments, while a pay-as-you-go model gives IT teams the control they need to meet evolving AI demands. Without overbuilding, security, compliance, and sustainability baked in, data lakehouses are designed for governed, metadata-driven management. That means better traceability, rollback capabilities, and compliance, critical for highly regulated sectors like finance. They also reduce infrastructure duplication, which supports greener operations. Sustainability is increasingly moving from nice-to-have to compliance mandates. In the BFSI sector, 39% of leaders now rank sustainability as a top 3 priority, 18 points above the global average. Lakehouses built on hybrid infrastructure allow teams to meet those goals while keeping data close to its source and applications. Move fast, but don't skip the foundation. Too many teams dive into AI adoption without enough preparation. They deploy models on unreliable infrastructure or train on poorly governed data. It's faster in the short term, but risky in the long term. A better approach is to experiment in sandboxes using clean, curated data sets, then scale intelligently on infrastructure that supports AI, analytics, and governance all in one. Turning to expert partners to help implement AI the right way is the safest and ultimately most efficient way to deploy. These early-phase discovery programs help assess data readiness, define high-impact use cases, and create strategies that align with real-world ROI. Infrastructure that grows with you. As AI use cases mature, the underlying infrastructure must keep pace. Hybrid storage platforms paired with lakehouse architectures offer the elasticity and control needed for long-term scale. They enable intelligent workload placement, simplify data movement, and reduce the risk of governance gaps. Most importantly, this approach doesn't force a trade-off between performance and sustainability. You get both. AI's future won't be decided by models alone. It will be shaped by the infrastructure that supports them. Lakehouses built on hybrid, consumption-based storage models give organizations the control, flexibility, and resilience they need to make AI not just possible, but sustainable, secure, and successful. Michael Hay is a distinguished technologist and currently the Chief Technology Strategy Officer for the Americas at Hitachi Vantara. His expertise is centered on devising practical futures and innovative solutions by working backwards from the user.